This is quick unboxing of the MyAir Plus. This is your instruction manual. Here it is. That is all in the box. You flip it upside down and then twist the legs in order to unlock it, and then you can take out the filter from there. With the air purifier upside down, we're gonna push it this way to unlock position to get access to the filter. It's quite simple setup. We're gonna take the plastic wrapper out and put the filter back in and turn it on. That should be it. I'm very impressed with this filter. A lot of times the filters don't have this mesh in front of it to prevent large debris going in. With the filter back in, I'm simply gonna lock it in place. With the air purifier back upright, the controls are very simple. You turn it on, you control how much air you want, and this tells you how much air is flowing, I suppose. One thing to note, this is not automatic. I have another air purifier that's automatic. It senses the air, and accordingly it speeds up or slows down. The air is now running. On, intensity of one more higher power, and then off.